Hi and welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm turning this tractor chair into a regular chair. And the first deal of business is to cut off the bottom of the seat on this. It's heavy. This right here, so I can mount the seat to something else. Just cleaning up the seat before I paint it. We actually found this tractor stool in a barn. Just, I don't know for how long it has been there, but very long. Abandoned, rusty, and I love it when you can take old rusty stuff and use it, remake something out of it. So I hope this turns out great. We'll see. Before painting the stool, I need to get rid of any dirt and excess rust that's lying on top of it. It's good to use some kind of soap, so any old oil is also removed. I have this bolt. This is gonna go through here and come out beneath. And I actually found this Ikea stool, which is right here. And I'm gonna use this to put the seat on top of here. But to do this, I have to cut off some of this wood from the stool and replace it with a tractor seat. So the paint I'm using is lac paint, and you could do some rust primer at first, but this lac paint contains some rust protections, and we're just going to keep this inside, so I don't think it's necessary to do extra rust protection. So this was the first paint. I'm going to do one more layer once it's dried, then the other side of the seat, and then it's time to mount it to the stool. that's it. We're done. So this was a fun project. Fun to reuse stuff. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.